Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to open WhatsApp location in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to open WhatsApp location in Google Maps, first open up your WhatsApp application on your phone. And after opening your WhatsApp application, guys, first open up the chat box of the person from where you had acquired the location, or you had sent the location that you want to open that location in Google Maps. For example, guys, let's send the location from over here. So if I tap on the attachment icon at the chat box at the bottom of the screen, this kind of interface will appear, and when this appears, let's tap on the location to send it. And will not be sending the live location but my current location over here, and let's tap on the send the current location, and you can see, guys, the location has been sent for us. Now in order to open this location in Google Maps, simply tap on it and it will open on your Google Maps application on your phone like this. You can see, guys, we had sent that location to ourselves on the WhatsApp, but the moment we tap on it, that will open on the Google Maps. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to open WhatsApp location in Google Maps, whether you receive them or you send them. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.